Ever get that feeling your car could be just smarter, more organized, more high-tech, just a better place to be? Well, today we're transforming your daily drive. We've filtered through thousands of options to bring you the absolute best car gadgets you can get right now. Let's dive in. First up, the eternal struggle, a cluttered, messy trunk. Grocery bags rolling around, emergency gear just thrown in the back. The FORTEM car trunk organizer is the solution. This isn't a flimsy bag. It's a sturdy, collapsible storage system with compartments and pockets for everything. It has a non-slip bottom and straps to lock it in place. You can even interlock multiple organizers. Your trunk goes from chaotic to perfectly organized in seconds. Now, let's talk about a problem you might not even know you have: car key theft. Thieves can now amplify your key fob signal right through your front door. The Lanpard Faraday pouch stops that completely. This sleek, compact bag is lined with a signal-blocking material. Drop your keys in, and poof, they're digitally invisible. It's such a simple, affordable layer of security for your entire vehicle. Speaking of peace of mind, turning around to check on your baby in the back seat is so distracting. The DoHonest baby car camera gives you immediate visual confirmation. This isn't just a camera. It's a full HD monitoring system with night vision and a 4.3-inch display. You get a crystal clear, wide-angle view of your little one, day or night, without ever taking your eyes off the road. For parents, this is an absolute must-have. Is your car's built-in screen, well, basically useless? This 8.1-inch wireless portable CarPlay screen is a massive upgrade. It gives you wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with buttery smooth 60 frames per second visuals. You get real-time navigation, hands-free calls, and even a backup camera, all on a vibrant, easy-to-install screen. It modernizes any older car instantly. And to keep all those devices charged, dealing with a tangled mess of cables is the worst. The LISEN retractable car charger is pure genius. This compact hub has a retractable 31-inch cable and 2 extra USB ports, delivering a massive 69 watts of power. You plug it in, the cord extends for use, and with a gentle pull, it retracts back to a clean, clutter-free state. It's incredibly For the ultimate in dash cam tech, the WOLFBOX 12-inch 4K rear-view mirror camera is unbelievable. It replaces your entire rear-view mirror with a massive, brilliant screen. The front camera records in true 4K, and the rear camera gives you a perfect view out the back, day or night. It has voice control, GPS, and even a parking monitor. This is top-tier protection and visibility. And your phone deserves a perfect home. This car phone holder from MagSafe is the strongest we've seen. It uses a vacuum suction cup that locks onto your dashboard and a magnetic grip so powerful, your phone isn't going anywhere. Plus, it has a clever cooling design to prevent your phone from overheating on long trips. It's a rock-solid mount. How about those annoying gaps between your seat and the center console, where phones, keys, and wallets disappear to? This 2-pack car seat gap organizer is a brilliant fix. It slides right into the gap, creating handy storage pockets. And it comes with 4 USB charging ports and even an LED light. It's a huge upgrade for interior organization and charging. For your car's exterior, let's talk tire care. Gas station air pumps are always broken or cost money. The AstroAI L7 cordless tire inflator is a game changer. This portable compressor is digital, lets you set your desired PSI, and shuts off automatically. It's a tire inflator, a powerful flashlight, and even a power bank for your phone. So convenient. And to pair with it, the AstroAI digital tire pressure gauge. This gives you professional-grade accuracy in 0.1 psi increments. The nozzle even lights up, so you can easily check your tires at night. For safety and fuel efficiency, this little tool is absolutely essential. Now, for a true lifesaver, the ZEVZO ET03 Car Jump Starter. This compact battery pack can jumpstart your car up to 50 times on a single charge. It can even revive a completely dead 0-volt battery. It also has a super bright LED light and USB ports to charge your devices. This is the ultimate piece of emergency gear you hope you never need, but will be so glad you have. All right, we are past the halfway point, and I have to ask, which of these gadgets are you finding most useful? Let me know down in the comments, and if you're getting value from this, please give the video a like and subscribe for more. Now, for keeping your car spotless, the Chemical Guy's Woolly Mammoth Microfiber Towel is a superstar. This giant, super soft towel can dry your entire car in one pass because it absorbs a crazy amount of water. It's gentle on paint and perfect for a streak-free shine. For the nooks and crannies, the PULIDIKI car cleaning gel is weirdly satisfying. This sticky putty pushes into air vents, cup holders, and every crevice to pull out dust and debris. It's reusable and incredibly effective for detailed interior cleaning. And finally, beating the glare. The NAZZO car visor extender is a simple but genius solution. The sun always seems to find that gap between the visor and the mirror, right? This polarized magnetic extension blocks light from every angle and installs in seconds without tools. Safer, more comfortable driving, instantly. So, which of these 15 game-changing gadgets are you adding to your car first? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to check out any of these highly rated finds, all the links are in the description. Remember, as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.